Before installing your door, ensure you have safely stored the door code supplied. This can be found next to the digilock. Install your panels and supports. We have used PVC on equal foot for illustrative purposes. When reaching the point you wish to install a door, cut a small section of U-channel, leaving a 45mm gap from the groove. Next, slide the frame into place. Double doors are not pre-hung. Add a panel, U-channel and support to the opposite side of the door. Slide your pre-manufactured door over panel into place. Now position and secure your top U-channel. A single screw every meter is usually sufficient to secure the U-channel. Doors are hung as follows. Each door is supplied to open inwards.